Morning guys. Ayun nga, nakabalik na ako sa York. Ito yung tower. Maganda yung tower. Maganda na rin yung babae sa likod. Siyempre asawa ko na yan. Morning guys. So we're here at Paragon Station. Say hi. Morning. So today, pasyal kami ng York. York. Punta kami sa York.
Tatay, lagay naman yung clothes. I got that. Where's the tunnel?
Tunnel close.
Where's the tunnel?
Yo, say hello.
Hello.
Magpa-passport ka na.
Tell them where they are going.
Pag okay na dito, idala kita.
Harry Potter.
We're going to Harry Potter. Are you excited?
Yes.
Magpa-passport ka na at wala namang pila pag sinyo.
Tatay! Yung biti yun.
Hi, Yoyo. Yoyo
Totoy,
is coming
magpa-drive
with
ka kay
us.
Totoy.
Pati si Yoyo, wa.
Sa ano ata.
Pati si Roro
Meron ata
nagbiyahe.
sa Olongapo sa Pampanga. Hindi na
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
So ayun na nga guys, dito na kami sa York Museum. Ulan as always. Dito si Chikay. Chikay, say hi to the camera.
Hi!
Up.
What about Nanay?
Let's go to nanay.
But I was...
Don't climb there. So yun nga guys, ito yung museum ng York. Chikay nandiyan pa rin. Nanay niya picture ng picture. Dito may ruins. Mamaya na tayo punta dyan. Yeah. Ito kami. Alright. Gala namin kayo later.
What?
Enjoying.
Ah. Yung video namin.
Taka na. Chikay, dito muna oh. Guys, dito sa York, mga ruins. May nagpiprenup doon. Maaga pa kasi, kaunti pa yung tao. Saka Friday ngayon. So, ayun, taga-tulak. Taga-push ng stroller ni Chikay. Mamaya punta kami sa, hindi ko alam kung saan pwede mapuntahan pa rito. So ayun, we'll see you later.
I run here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, run. 1, 2, 3, run. Careful. Come on. Come on.
That's my beaver.
Ang magnanay na nilalamig. Still in the museum gardens here in York. Alright. Ano, muddy puddles. Mga taga dito ang hilig sa matubig.
Follow me, guys.
Kaya ang dudumi ng sapatos. Alright.
Dito po. Hi, everyone.
Ah, vlog ka. Ah. Oh, yeah. Look at the camera.
Hi.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the garden.
Alright.
We're in the garden. Here, go.
Wala siya sa mood, nanay. Nanay, video mo kami doon sa cellphone mo.
Tatay, let's run.
Oo.
Let's run. Come on.
Oh, scared for that. Not there. Here.
Run. I'll be the winner. Ew. I'll be the winner.
Look. What's that bird?
Go.
Go. Chase it.
I'll take it. Go, look. Go. Let's go. Hi. What are you doing?
Oh, don't go there inside. There's a line.
Picture?
Oh, yeah.
Did you picture it?
Careful!
I'm scared. Hanapin dito. Ano pa? Clifford's Tower. Yan guys, kami sa Clifford's Tower. Boy. Dito sila Chikay. We are going to
Where are we going?
Go you to the eating
your
shop.
designer. Sorry. Sorry.
Say hi.
Hi. You're just talking, talking, talking.
mo, oh. Kaka-wash ko sa ospital.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog! Ako dyan, no?
Mamaya.
We're gonna grab some food because we're hungry. Right?
What did you say?
We are hungry?
Yeah.
Ah, kita siya. Diyan yan. Pag ano yun mo siya, kasi behave siya. Sa oras lang naman mabilis.
Go, go.
Siya magsasabi.
Ubat na ata?
Say hi. So, ayun nga guys. Natapos na ang araw namin sa York. Pauwi na kami ng hall. Si Chikay. Hi, Chikay.
Hi.
Napagod ka ba?
Opo.
Opo, pagod daw siya. How about your nanay? Get tired? You can fix it. So ayun, see you sa susunod na mga videos. Bye!